Product description: Guitar Hero World Tour Guitar Kit PS3 Amazon.com. Start a band. The Guitar Hero Way. Guitar Hero World Tour transforms music gaming by expanding Guitar Hero's signature guitar gameplay into a cooperative band experience that combines advanced wireless instruments with online and offline gameplay modes, including online band career and 8-player Battle of the Bands, which allows 2 full bands to compete head-to-head online. The game features a slick redesigned guitar as well as a music studio music creator that lets players compose, record, edit and share their own rock and roll anthems. Note: the drum kit, controller and microphone are sold separately. Wireless instruments. New to GHWT is a redesigned, more responsive guitar controller, which features a touch-sensitive slide bar on the neck that allows the player to play through certain song passages without needing to strum. Be the next great songwriter. Music Studio lets players express their musical creativity by giving them access to a full complement of tools to create digital music from scratch utilizing the guitar controller and drum kit. Players can create their tracks and then play them in-game or share the recordings with the entire Guitar Hero community through GH Tunes allows other gamers from around the world to download and play the community's original tracks. Available to PlayStation 3 gamers is Line 6 Guitar Tone technology, enabling